Hi, I'm Rubendra Marjan, Group 6, IIPIT, Federation University. For the final semester, we're working on Desihattie project. It's an Android-based application. It's a food ordering system. It has two basic parts, admin and customer. And for the admin application, we will give function which all of them to add modify their items and descriptions prices, and for customer customer can log in and purchase food item from the application, place order, and we're using common database so that any order placed by the customer can be notified to the restaurant in the real time basis. This project is based on agile software development methodology, and it has three sprints. And for the process sprint, we have chosen user authentication part. And for first sprint, I have created mainly sequence diagram with the help of Kanchana and Jyoti. And I have mainly work on coding part. So for the sign in part 2, I have created algorithm where it will face the input from the customers, and then it will redirect to the home page. Similarly, for the sign up page, we have layout created by the Nibase in using XML in Android Studio, and I did coding in Java to fetch the data from customer, then link it to the Firebase for authentication. Now I want to show some demos. This is Android Studio and this is virtual device. Let's say I don't have any account, and this is Firebase console, and there are one two user right now. Now I will create my account. I will insert my email address and create password 123456, and I will hit the sign up. It will redirect to the home page now, and let's see. Let's refresh our Firebase console. Now it should add my email address now. And we can also log out from here. Let's see. Okay, yes, it is okay. We can see that it's already added my email address here. Now I should be able to log in. Yeah, it has logged in now. So we can also see our profile from here, where we can see our email address. We can add our number or change password too. But to add number, we need a real device. So from virtual base, we can add and verify our number. So let's add. I have a knowledge of object-oriented programming language such as Python and Java, and I had also revision for those languages during comparative language, system analysis design, and I take 1400. Basically, I had work on the console programming previously, and this is the first time I'm working on real usable project in mobile. So for this project, we have selected Android Studio, as this is an Android based application. The platform work on Java and Kotlin language, and the coding part is more and less same, but syntax are different, the logic is same. So I'm not having a hard time working on this ID. So on other hand, I'm taking help of Android Studio documentation and similarly Firebase documentation, and GitHub has been useful site for me where I get many ideas about creating Java project on Android Studio. What did I learn from this sprint? Okay, till now I'm very friendly to Android Studio and Firebase console. However, I'm learning to create data structure and relating them. as this is horizontally spread data on JSON file, and it is different from the traditional SQL database. And I have learned how to work on to develop designing part, UI, and coding at the same time. And for me, research is the main key. Uh, for me, we didn't figure out that both customer and admin applications should be developed simultaneously, so that we can test the application using same common database. So from following sprint, we'll be working on that. And now we won't be creating any authentication part for the restaurant staff. We'll manually add the user, as there will be less than 10 users. For this sprint, that's all. We'll be meeting on following sprint. Thank you.